This is an update to my earlier video about testing the relay for the 944 turbo auxiliary water pump. In the old video, I only tested to make sure the relay works when the thermo switch is triggered, but there's a separate function in this relay that makes it go on for 30 seconds after you shut off the car. So I wanted to show how to test for both in one video here. These wires here are hooked up to a power supply. The red is set to 12 volts battery voltage, and the black one, of course, is ground. That's pin 31. Voltage is on pin 30. Then I take the output of the leads on the multimeter, and I put the red lead on pin 87 and the black lead on ground on pin 31. So this is the same setup as the other video, and as I showed in the other video, if you ground the center pin, which comes directly from the thermo switch, you'll see that it triggers the relay, and the relay will send power to pin 87 and therefore send power to the turbo auxiliary water pump for about 30 seconds. In real life, it always times out for me at about 24 seconds, but you can check me on the Google clock or the YouTube clock as we go. I'm going to wait for that to go off. And there it is. I think that was 24 seconds, but you can be the judge. Now the other leg of the relay is the power, the key. When you turn the key off, the relay should do the same thing, go on for 30 seconds. That's why every time you turn off the car, the relay and the pump goes on for 30 seconds. So to simulate that, I'm just going to use another jumper, tap into 12 volts right there. And what happens when you turn the car on, this pin over here, 15B, is connected to 12 volts. So I'm going to do that right now by just connecting this to there. You have to be very careful because it's very touchy, and so any kind of bounce will trigger it. So now I've got 12 volts on 15B. That would be coming from the DME relay when you're driving the car, and then when you turn the car off, power is cut to 15B, which triggers the relay again to send power to pin 87, which goes to the pump and turns the pump on. And once again, through the magic of electronics, it'll stay at 12 volts for about 24 seconds. Again, it's supposed to be 30 seconds, but I've yet to find a relay that goes for a full 30 seconds. And there it is. So that's it. I just wanted to show both modes that this relay triggers, and I hope that helps.